squeeze, squeeze. Hello? Hi kids and parents, I'm Jenna and I'm 4 years old. Today we're gonna make Butter Tteok. It's a chocolate one and a brownies chocolate. Chocolate chips, cocoa powder, glutinous, rice flour, real flour, tapioca flour, sugar, egg, butter. Yummy. This one's yummy too.
That one is milk and vanilla extract.
Yeah, and vanilla extract. First step, we're gonna mix the milk and the butter. Heat up the milk and the butter together until the butter melts. This is the pen we're gonna use. Look at the shape. Bear, bear, bear. Teddy bear. I'll grease the pan first. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. So the butter top won't stick. With the milk and the butter. And butter, milk. Put this on the stove. Now on the stove. I'm just gonna heat this up until the butter melts. But be careful, kids. The hot pot is very hot. They're only for grown-ups to use. Please do not touch the pan by the hot pot by yourself. Ask a grown-up to help. And make sure your parents are near. The butter is melted already. Look, it's starting rolling. Turn the stove off. And still mix, mix, mix. And it's very easy, guys. We're just gonna mix all the ingredients in one bowl. This is the bowl. While we're mixing, I'm preheating the oven to 180 Celsius. And I want to shake this. Oh, yay, oh, yay, oh. Egg? Cracking one egg is too easy. Mom, I don't want to crack that egg. Yuck. Now the egg goes in. Mix it this. When we mix the egg, guess what happens? We also have to mix until the sugar dissolves, guys. And then the cocoa powder with a little salt. Wow, you're so fast! This is tapioca flour, right? Tapioca flour. In. Stir, stir, stir. Come on out of there! Come on out of there! Come on out of there! Okay, now we can mix, mix. Mix, mix. Rice flour with a little bit of salt. In. Oh. So lumpy. Now the cocoa powder. Gotcha. A little bit of salt in. All done? The batter. Ha ha. Now I can eat the chocolate chips. So this is the mixture. I'll strain it to get rid of the lumps. Pour all the lumps. All lumps. So this is the batter we're looking for. I will fill the teddy bear pan with the batter. Hopefully don't eat the chocolate chips. Ma, I think something's dripping. I already said it. By the way, I got this recipe from Chef Preheat. Thank you, Chef, for the recipe. Doughy. Now the second pan. We're just gonna fill the pan this much. Not too full. But the mixture is too yummy. I cannot stop eating it. The mixture. Yeah, it's too yummy. Butter Tteoknya jadi bear talks. All done. And now they are ready to go into the oven. I'll be quick for about 20 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, finally, the butter tteok are done. They taste yummy. Yummy, yummy. It's crunchy on the outside, sweet on the inside. By the way, I also made the chocolate sauce. Yum! Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends.